Hey there! Welcome back to MLM Income Learning Network, the channel where we turn your network marketing hustle into a real income building machine. If you've ever said to yourself, I want to make money in MLM without constantly chasing people, today's video is your gold mine. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments below, have you ever created a digital product before? Yes or no? I want to see where my audience stands. Alright, let's talk about how to create digital products that not only make you passive income, but also boost your MLM sales effortlessly. Why digital products matter in MLM? Let's be honest, traditional MLM has changed. You can't just post before and after pictures or shout, "Join my team" anymore. People buy from people who educate and empower them. Digital products position you as an authority, not just another distributor. When someone buys your ebook, course, or template, they see you as an expert. And experts attract buyers and recruits. For example, think about Sarah, an online wellness coach. She sells supplements from her MLM company, but she also created a $28 7-day smoothie challenge ebook. That ebook brings her new email leads every week. And guess what? Many of those buyers later join her MLM team because they already trust her. What kind of digital products can you create? So let's talk about what you can actually create. Here are 5 digital product ideas that work beautifully for MLM business owners. Number 1, ebooks or guides. You can create short, practical guides about your niche. For example, a 30-day skincare routine for beginners, or 5 secrets to natural weight loss at home. Number 2, templates and checklists. Everyone loves shortcuts. You can create daily business planner templates or prospect tracking sheets. Perfect for other network marketers or even for your downlines. Number 3, online courses or mini workshops. Teach what you know. For example, how I got my first 50 MLM leads using Instagram Reels. You can record this once and sell it forever. Number 4, printables and journals. Vision board kits, affirmation journals, or gratitude planners. They connect emotionally and fit perfectly with MLM's mindset-driven nature. Number 5, membership programs. Offer exclusive training or community access to your team or followers. It builds loyalty and long-term income. Quick question: which of these product ideas feels mostly like you? Drop the number 1 to 5 in the comments below. How to create your first digital product. Now here's where most people freeze. They think creating a digital product is complicated, but I promise you, it's not. Step 1. Identify a problem your audience has. Ask yourself, what do my followers struggle with? Maybe it's time management, generating leads, or confidence in selling. Whatever it is, solve that problem with your product. Step 2. Pick a simple format. Start with an ebook. If you are more visual, record short lessons or create Canva templates. Step 3. Create with free tools. Use Canva for design, Google Docs for writing, and Loom or Zoom to create video lessons. No need for fancy software. Step 4. Price it smartly. For beginners, aim between $9 to $49. Affordable enough for impulse buys, but valuable enough to position you as a pro. Step 5. Deliver it automatically. Upload it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Standstore. They handle payments and automatic downloads while you sleep. Would you like me to make a full tutorial on creating your first ebook using Canva? Let me know in the comments below. How do digital products boost your MLM sales? Now let's connect the dots. How do these products actually boost your MLM business? 1. They attract warm leads. When people buy your products, they are not cold traffic anymore. They've already invested in you, which makes them open to joining your team. 2. They build authority. An ebook or course shows that you know what you're talking about. People join leaders, not sellers. 3. They create passive income. Instead of only relying on commissions, you are earning from your own intellectual property. 4. They keep your audience engaged. You can bundle your digital products with your MLM training, like buy my guide and get a free coaching session. That builds loyalty. 5. They help you stand out online. Thousands of network marketers promote the same company, but your digital products make you unforgettable. So, how do you promote these digital products? Okay, now you've created the products. Let's talk promotion. 1. Use social media stories. Share behind the scenes creation clips. Post testimonials from buyers. Create countdowns before you launch. 2. Build an email list. Offer a freebie like a checklist that leads to your paid product. Then nurture your list with MLM tips and personal stories. 3. Collaborate with your downline. Let your team members promote your products for a commission. That's team synergy and leadership in action. 4. Repurpose your content. Turn sections of your ebook into short reels, TikToks, or YouTube shorts. End each one with "Get the full guide" via the link in my bio. So there you have it. Creating digital products isn't just about making extra cash. It's about building authority, attraction, and automation in your MLM business. If you found value in today's video, drop an emoji in the comments and tell me what kind of product you'd like to create first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications, because next week I'm breaking down how to automate your MLM sales funnel using free tools. You don't want to miss that one. Bye for now.